Okay guys, I wanted this to be about as quick and dirty as possible. Yesterday I went out after work and hung out with some friends and ended up picking up a screw in my tire. I went to the dealership this morning and they said that they can't patch it. And I'm in this situation now where I really need to get to work because I have some deadlines that I need to meet. And I don't want to try and find a shop around town that will actually plug the tire. So I went to Lowe's this morning and picked up this deluxe tire plug kit. I'll put that here so you can see that. It was $8.98. So what I'm going to do in this video is try to quickly plug this tire, and I'm going to get it back on my car once I know that it's holding air. I'm not going to show that part to you guys. You've probably seen a tire come on and off of a car. But let's just figure this out together. Can we get this tire to hold air with this plug kit? So let's get straight in. Okay, so we got our plugs here of a few different sizes. We can probably get by with these shorter ones, but I might put a longer one on there just to be safe. We got some rubber cement. We have our needle. This is what you actually put the plug into before you stick it in the tire. And we have this reaming tool. Let's see if we can get this thing out. So, can we do it with these? Yeah, we can. Check that out. Just like a little self-tapping metal screw. That was a little jerk that got me. So there's a pretty clear hole right here. I'm gonna run and grab some sort of a cleaning fluid that I can use just to clean around here real quick. Soapy water, I got a rag. So I'm gonna hit this spot real quick. And then just take this rag just to make sure that the surrounding area is good. So now I'm gonna go straight in with this awl tool and see if I can ream that out. All right, I guess I can say that's good enough. So we get our plug here. Stuff is like super sticky. So, see? And that, I'm gonna kind of mash it down a little bit here on the end, is gonna go in the eye of this needle. I need to pull that about halfway through. So that's what I got right here. So now I'm gonna coat this really well with that rubber cement. All right, that's probably good. So we're going into the same hole that we just came out of. Maybe it'll help if there's some back pressure in the tire, so I'm gonna put a little bit of air in. See if that helps. All right, I gotta take this off and push down on it. There it goes. All right, like 2/3 of the way in. So now it says to just with one quick motion pull up and out. So, okay, I don't know about you, but that was a lot of work. I'm gonna use these cutters here to nip off the remainder. Okay, cutters are not working. Let's go for a razor blade. Much better. Okay, so I don't hear any leaks, but what I'm gonna do now is probably flip the tire over or flip it upright, and I'll move this camera around here and we'll see if we have any leaks by spraying this soapy water on it. If we don't have any leaks, then we're gonna be good to put it back on the car and get going to work. So let's wipe her off here. See. The reason you use soapy water is because if it is leaking, it makes bubbles here that are very obvious. And I think we might be good to go. I don't see any bubbles growing. So I think we have just successfully patched this tire. Okay guys, so that about does it. As you saw, I think we successfully patched that tire together. This is the first time I've done it on a radial car tire. I have done something like this before. I think it was on like a riding lawnmower tire or something. But it seems to have worked. It's holding. There's no leak. I'm going to put the gauge on it one more time just to make sure that we're good. But otherwise, I think I'm good to get back on the road and get this to a dealership or a repair place in a more convenient time frame for me. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these off-the-cuff videos. Again, temporary. Please do not consider this to be a permanent, long-lasting plug, because the company and I cannot guarantee that that will be the case. So anyway, have a great day. We'll see you guys soon.